So what are we doing on this Saturday morning?
Well, we're going to Virden to our 16 unit property that we have remotely, which is about an hour away. And we have a move out coming up, so we are pre-showing the units, people from our waiting list, to see if they want to take it. That's what we're doing on this Saturday, because our property manager is busy on another unit, letting a contractor in to install the internet for one of the occupant tenants as well. So it can't be two places at once, so we're doing the road trip and she's doing the local unit. So we're also going to check the unit to make sure it's clean, that all the garbage is out, and see what needs any minor repairs need to be done. And book the carpet cleaner to come in clean up the carpets. And we're also going to check out the blinds, because we don't supply blinds, the tenant supplies the blinds, and the previous tenant would like to sell his blinds to the new tenants coming in. And we chuckle about this because we think it's the ultimate of cheapness. You've been in there for a number of years. Just leave the blinds for the new tenant. If they want them, great. If not, what else are you going to do? They're measured for a window. What are the chances of you going to a new place and these blinds are going to fit your window? And how much do they want for these blinds?
$40.
$40. $40 for blinds. So you're so cheap, you can't even just give the new person, like, here's a gift from me. Here's $40 blinds. So it's going to be amusing. We'll see the quality of these blinds as well for $40. What do you get for $40? That's going to be the big question when we do a walk around of this unit. And we'll show that on one of the videos as well. So our tenants just moved out, and we're going to go through the unit and see if it's ready for the next tenants to come in. So we've already checked the storage unit to make sure. There's a little storeroom here. It's locked now. It's locked now. It's locked now. That's good. But I've already cleaned it out. We've already checked that. The first thing we're always looking for is the floors. Are the floors clean? Is the carpet clean? We are going to get the carpet cleaners in, so it needs in. Actually, it looks a lot worse on camera as it does than what we're looking at it, so that's a good thing to look at. We're looking for things on the walls to see if there's any marks, any pictures that they've had hanging up. And we can see we've got the odd nail in here and up, and a bit of mark in here that's going to need cleaning off. Also, we're going to have to repaint it. And then we're going to check the appliances to make sure these are clean. And yeah, they've done a marvellous job at cleaning this up. We've got a dishwasher in here. In the fridge. It's even got an air freshener in the fridge, and they're great to have, especially when you're going to be making for a couple of days. All the cupboards are empty. Drawers, functioning. Countertops, you know, it's got a little bit of wear, but still got very good. Woo! And then you through, checking all the walls again. The floors are going to get cleaned. Light bulbs, is any light bulbs out? Having a good colour of light bulb really helps show it. This is a whiter light and makes it a lot brighter. When we step into the bathroom, it's a more softer colour. The wider, the brighter the light, the bigger it looks. So here, they've been lucky enough to leave the shower curtain in, and the tub looks good. Maybe do a little bit of silicone here at some point. It's good for now. Woo! And in this one, we have the in-suite laundry. And so we want to check that. These are nice and clean, and these are looking pretty new. We've left all the manuals there on the shelf. The shelves are empty. And we're also looking at the plumbing as well with a hot water tank. Make sure we've got no corrosion around. Any of the connections there. Now we're going to go into the smaller bedroom first. Make sure they've cleaned out the closet. Good. Doors are still on. Handles. Blinds. These are the blinds that they've left behind. And you know, I joked that they were pretty. How much do they want for these blinds?
$40.
$40. Cheap to want $40, but I'd pay $40 for these blinds. I'd pay $40 just so I didn't have to install any. Smoke detectors, you always got to make sure they're in place. And again, walls, we got the blinds in. We've got a couple of hooks here for pictures. Looks like we're a bit of paint missing here, so it's going to need a bit of a touch up. And then in this unit we have a great walk-in closet. Woo! They've left nothing in here. It's all clean. So we're very happy how these tenants have left this unit. You can see it's been a good occupancy. They've been here for many years. Big difference in our smoking units, that's for sure. We're really happy when we get tenants that live and are happy here and use these tenants for this condition and leave it ready for the next. And we've already got viewings lined up for today while we're here. We just want to do a quick walkthrough and make sure. And the carpet cleaner is getting booked and it's going to be ready for the first, and we'll be ready to go again. So we're just talking about, while we're driving here, what questions would people like to hear or the answers to hear? So then we could ask questions to each other and answer them. So write down in the comments the questions you would like us to answer. Because we're not too sure on what people want to hear. And if you subscribe to the channel, you're going to get content all the time. We're releasing 2 videos a week. So we want to do content that is what you're looking for. So let us know what you're looking for. We'll make sure that we got it.